1, 2, 3, go. I'm in the business of misery, let's take it from the top. Second body like an hourglass, ticking like a clock. Listen out of time before you roll right now. The top is fast, she got it by the pound. I waited in long months, she finally set him free. I told him I can't lie, he was the only one for me. Till you going first, get out for me, but wore the biggest smile. Wow, I never meant to break, but I gotta where I want him now. Whoa, it's never meant just to break. Still away from me now.
Hirap kasi.
God, this feels so good.
Bawal
Cause I got him where I want him now.
Ano?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And I don't wanna be the blame, not anymore. It's your turn to taste it, but settling the final score. And why do we like to learn so much? It got this tight. You ain't made it harder just to go on. And why? All the possibilities, so I was wrong. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, we're losing fights all the time. No can ever own what's mine when you're always taking sides. You won't take away my pride. No, not this time. Not this time. How we get here? Well, I used to know you so well.
Natutulog pala to eh.